Well, hello, my dear companions. Welcome back to Emily Wants to Play 2. Yes, I didn't plan to make a video this evening, but I'm gonna record it. It's super late, but I really want to finish up this series because I have so many other series that I want to continue and begin. I just have too many now, and it's Christmas soon, and we're gonna finish this up. What does it say? Everyone plays. Yes. Boom. Here we go. And as I said, we need to don't get caught by any of them, but we need to find 3 of Emily. Over here. Okay, cool. No. Are you serious? What? Okay, let's roll. Okay. Ooh, so maybe they are at their specific areas. So maybe here we have Greta, the little girl, to worry about. Because I think Emily is supposed to be in one of the rooms. Let's go in here and see. Remember where you find her each time. Less noise, lights and movement, stealth. Bruh. Why does it say less noise, lights and etc.? Okay, let's go the other way. Let's see here first. No? Emily, please be here. Bruh. Nope. Nope. Yes, I can turn it. Okay. How am I supposed to deal with this? Should I just try to stealth? But it had this smile, so I think it mean I'm not supposed to stealth. Let's not use any of the lights. Oh my god. Please, I want to complete this game. Nothing here. Bruh. 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 Stop. 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 Nej. Kiki. Get out of here. I don't like your face. Nej. Please, poof. Poof. Thank you. My god. I don't want to deal with you now. Just going through. Nothing special. Bro. Chester, my god. I haven't found one single of Bruh? Bruh? Oh my god. Oh, you little asshole. You're so fucking fast. Did you give up? Yes? Nej. Thank you. So we just can't find where. Yes, breaker room. Breaker room? Cool. I just need to remember that. Where? And just try to get there. He wants to kill you. And sad face. Don't hit the boxes. Greta? Greta, are we cool? Oh. Go away, I hear something. Oh my god, damn it! He gave up, okay, cool. What? Emily 3 times while we find you, cool. Love that. The time is running out. Oh my god. How? Bruh. Oh, I thought he was gonna kill me. See you soon. Kiki? Come on, I think I can actually do this. I'm kidding, I don't know. I can't do this. I think I know where she is. I think she's in the breaker room. And I ran the wrong way. I ran the freaking wrong way. think he's faster than me. Stop. Stop. She's not here. Hey, babe. I thought she was in the breaker room. Where is she? I need to find her one more time. This is... Yes! Bruh. What? It seems like Emily are supposed to be in specific areas and she can spawn in either one of them. But oh my god, that took some time. It's always eerie when you start a new hour and you don't know what to do. But I heard Greta. Let's see. Greta loves fire. Bruh. Greta? What? Oh my god. So I need to put out the fire, I guess. But wait, bruh. Oh, it's locked. She's running around with matches. Ah, the fire extinguisher. I see. So do I need to find the fire extinguisher? The fire thing. Or do I just need to get out? Let's see if we can go around. No. I guess not. So we can't go this way because you have a fire here. Or here, sorry. Here we have a fire. Also, okay. Okay, let's see here though. But do I need to worry about Greta? I guess not. Guess we need to put out the fire. Okay, I need to think. What? Sorry about the fire, oh my god. Oh wait, can I go out through the warehouse? I guess not. Guess not. Wait, but there was another exit. Oh, am I supposed to use one of the 3 exits? Right? Because I think, yes, let's look here. I'm always focused on this one. But maybe there is a focus. Yes. Yes. I guess not. What? What am I supposed to do? I can't go there. I can't go there. What happens if I put out this one? That's for the fancies of it, you know? It was fun. Thanks for playing. Oh, this is the last night. Or hour. How am I supposed to get past this? Like seriously, what? Yeah, what? Oh! I'm pretty sure I saw a fire here before. Okay, let's go to the light. Central Evidence Office on the edge of town burned down this morning. Savage delivery guy reported the incident to the police. He claims during the hit was lucky. He survived the night by playing games with the dolls and a young zombie-looking girl. Mannequin and Jack in the Box toy. The dolls possibly killed or took the security guard. The police and fire department are investigating the situation. The delivery guy is in psychiatric evaluation. Oh, they think we started the fire. Check back with us for a secret at 11 p.m. It's almost over. Continue for more. What? What am I supposed to do? Pause? There we go.
Now they think he's crazy too. I told him I wasn't crazy. I'm going back to that house. I'm gonna figure this out for myself.
Oh, was that John Smith, the investigator, talking?
Brenda fez buscar por Emily. Esse é o busca. O menino busca vesco.
Oh, are we looking at an Emily Wants to Play 3? That's the end? Resolution. Let's keep it like this then. So we are... This is the... Okay. Is this the end? Oh. Is this really... Okay. But that really set it up to more... As we might actually play as John Smith, the investigator journalist, in the next game, or maybe update to this game. And yeah, I'm gonna read about it on the internet to see if there is more to this game or not, if we're missing something. But I don't think so. See you soon. Well, welcome back. I read something about everyone. I looked on my good friend and YouTuber, Vapor the Gamer, and his video about this. And so many of you, or his subscribers if you say so, said that go back to 11 p.m. There's a secret there. As we read in the article, go to there will be a secret at 11 p.m. But when I look here, 8, 9, 10 and a half. But she enters. Let's actually go back. I'm even not sure what I'm looking at. Secret at. Oh wait, is this one? Yes, there she is. Emily, I really want to see where you came from. If I can go back there. Like your heavy footsteps. No. 11? What? I don't remember if this happened. But let's see if we can find a secret now. Can we go in here? Yes! I don't think we could go here before. What? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell to the no. Oh, hell to the no. This doesn't feel good. Oh, don't trust that. What? Oh my god. Local news. Circus fire. Puppet master in town. Outbreak. Ventriloquist dies unexpectedly. Puppet master in town increasing. This is so freaking cool. What? It's way too quiet though. It's locked. What? I might miss something awesome. I don't want to miss anything awesome. I want to go back and see if I can see anything more. It's so hard to see, but okay. I can't really see if I can pick up anything here. It seems like this is it. I would like to read more about this though. Oh, I can actually kind of read it. Chester O'Reilly died today of unknown causes, heart attack, stroke. Popular brown suit. Oh, what? Cholera outbreak. Doll linked to. Also, case of cholera has been reported. Even a major daughter died, and that possessed the doll. No, the doll was okay. Wow, what? Not gonna lie, this is pretty cool puppet show. The puppet master Walt Luderer. The puppet master, and here we have Tatters. We have Tatters and Kiki. Yeah, I see Kiki there too. Missing found dead, but strangely without any injuries. Children claimed toys came to life. What? I'm gonna go back and see if you see anything more. See you soon. Okie doke. Let's go another way. Let's go to the left here instead. See if anything is different. But there's so many ways to go. What? What? Let's try that again. So, let's try again. Let's not go to the left this time. Let's go straight. This is a dead end. Let's try one more time. Maybe we did go the correct way the first time. And we're back. See, we got killed by chests if we went there and there, so let's go this way. I'll take left this time, maybe. My God. Okay. I guess that's it. But what about the basement door? I couldn't unlock it, but anyhow. Yeah, okay. Let's actually head down there again. See you soon. Welcome back. So either way we go, we get killed by Chester. Glitch. Let's go here this time instead. We actually went the exact correct way the very first time we went in here. That's pretty good. I'm pretty proud of us. But we might miss something in here, but I don't think so. But please tell me in the comments down below what you think about this series so far. We might actually return to it if there's more to this. But for now, this was like a secret area. Just kind of know the puppets or the dolls and their origins. Not unlocked. I wonder what this door is. Oh, maybe the locked door in the Greta area. But anyhow, tell me in the comments down below what you think about this series. And this is the end for now. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, leave a favorite, and tell me in the comments who is your favorite of the dolls. Or maybe the scariest one in your opinion. Tell me, but never ever forget to stay awesome. Toodeloo!